Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the negative effects of coffee on health. I know it may seem like a strange topic to discuss, but this is something that not many people are aware of. I want to make sure that you are informed about the potential risks associated with drinking coffee. So please stay tuned and I'll break it down for you. Before we get started, let me just say that there are many studies out there that show the positive effects of coffee on health. Coffee can help with alertness, concentration, and even decrease the risk of certain diseases. However, with all of the potential benefits, it's important to understand that there can also be some negative effects. But before seeing the list of some negative effects, kindly subscribe to our channel to get more information about foods and drinks that keep our body and mind healthy. Now, let's get started. 1. Coffee increases stress. Coffee promotes the release of cortisol, a hormone that is associated with stress, and can elevate heart rate, blood pressure, and tension. This can lead to tremors and tachycardia, so relying on coffee for energy is not a good option. 2. Coffee causes insomnia. One of the adverse effects of drinking coffee is that it can make it difficult to fall asleep at night. Caffeine can cause insomnia, as it keeps us alert and active instead of helping us to calm down and relax. 3. Heartburn. If you experience reflux or heartburn, it is wise to consider if coffee is the source of your discomfort. There is a tiny muscle located at the base of the stomach sphincter, which is meant to close off the stomach to prevent swallowed food from going back up into the esophagus. When caffeine is consumed, this muscle loosens, as is the case with sugary beverages or sodas, leading to heartburn. 4. Appearance of ulcers and irritable bowel syndrome. The presence of caffeine and other acids can have adverse effects on our body, particularly the stomach and small intestine. When someone visits a clinic with such discomfort, one of the first treatments offered is to abstain from consuming coffee to see if the symptoms improve. While some research may dispute this, it is clear that those who suffer from ulcers or gastritis should not drink coffee. 5. Coffee is a laxative. While this drink helps us go to the bathroom on a regular basis. However, it can become an issue if it interferes with our body's ability to absorb nutrients from food, resulting in further irritation and inflammation of the digestive tract. 6. Coffee is bad for the kidneys. Consumption of an excessive amount of coffee can disrupt the regular functioning of the kidneys, causing them to work harder to absorb essential minerals such as calcium, zinc, or magnesium. 7. High doses of coffee cause migraines and headaches. Research published in the Journal of Headache Pain suggests that drinking more than 400 milligrams of coffee a day can lead to migraines and headaches. Additionally, another study indicates that moderate caffeine consumption may be beneficial in relieving these symptoms and may even enhance the effect of pain relievers when taken in conjunction with them. 8. Uncontrolled movement of the legs. It is important to keep in mind that coffee can lead to restless leg syndrome. If you observe that your limbs are shaking or moving more than normal, you should consider the possibility that the coffee you consumed is the cause. 9. Drinking coffee increases cholesterol. A research from Baylor College of Medicine has suggested that consuming coffee may elevate cholesterol levels in the body. In conclusion, coffee can have some negative effects on your health, but there are ways to reduce the risks. Be sure to limit your intake, switch to decaffeinated coffee, add some milk or cream, and avoid drinking it late in the day. I hope this video has helped you understand the negative effects of coffee on health. If yes, kindly comment yes in the comment box. That motivates us to produce more videos like this. Thank you for watching.